Water just flooded your home. Here's exactly what to do in the next 24 hours to stop the damage before it gets worse. First, shut off your main water valve right now. In most homes, it's in the basement near the front wall or by the water meter. Next, cut power to every room with standing water at your breaker box. Water near live outlets is a serious electrocution risk. Don't skip this step. Before moving anything, photograph and video every wet surface, wall, and damaged item. Your insurance adjuster needs to see the original damage. Pull up wet rugs immediately. They trap moisture against your floor underneath and speed up damage. Wet carpet padding almost always has to be thrown out. Use a wet, dry shop vac to remove standing water. Make several passes. The first pull gets the bulk. Later passes get what soaks back up. Set up fans to move air across wet surfaces. Keep windows closed in humid summer weather, and run your AC instead. It pulls moisture from the air. Don't turn the heat up to dry things faster. Warmth without airflow raises humidity and gives mold the perfect environment to grow within 24 to 48 hours. Act fast and you can save your home. Call the Restoration Group at 855-650-7422